Hi there! You have probably already seen our other tutorials that show you how Parago makes your life easier, safer and more convenient. Today I will show you how to change the temperature unit on your Pg35. While some of you count in Celsius, others do in Fahrenheit. With your Pg35 you can switch between both units very easily. First, connect your Pg35 to a power source. Then shut it on by using the on-off button. Now push the set button 4 times. The temperature unit symbol starts flashing. By tapping either plus or minus, you can switch between both temperature units. Lastly, wait for 2 to 3 seconds and the selected unit will be automatically applied. That's it, you're good to go. For more information, check out our other tutorials, follow us on WeChat or Instagram, or visit our Parago website.